Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. We're back again for more video. In today's video, we wanted to go ahead and actually take a look at how to basically get DLP reports, what's going on with the policies running, what's going on with policies that are not running, and so forth. So in the last video, we went ahead, did a Chrome extension. We enabled the Microsoft Purview extension inside Chrome, and it's good, it's working. This video is all about getting a DLP report. So first of all, we want to go back into our Microsoft Purview portal, which we already in here, and we want to go ahead and log in as an administrator. So the user we're connected right now ain't gonna do it for us. We want to get the main admin. So let's go ahead and actually sign out of this one, user, and close everything out. And then we're gonna go ahead purview.microsoft.com, and then we're gonna log in as an admin. And then we're gonna supply the admin password here. We're gonna hit yes, getting started page. This is something that you will get if you never open Microsoft Purview on that user. Even though we use in Purview policies, we didn't open it under this user. That's why we're getting it. So we're gonna hit get started, and it's just gonna give you a tutorial what to do and whatnot. So we good. We don't need that. So from this point on, we are gonna go ahead and actually get started on how do we get the roles and scope and get reporting going. So we're gonna click on settings under Microsoft Purview portal. We will wanna focus on the Microsoft. We're gonna focus on actually roles and scopes, and then we got a couple options here under roles and scopes. So we're gonna click on role group actually. So we got a couple options on the role group, as you can see, and we wanna focus on the one that speaks to us the most. And in this case, we want to give it somebody information protection analytics or analyst. So let's click on here. We might have to search for it. Let's just search for it. Information protection analyst. That's what we're going to be giving somebody. So we're going to click on that. Let's roll. And then we're going to hit edit. We're going to have to give a user access to that. So what is the user? We're going to choose a user. We're going to give it Megan. So we're going to give this user called Megan B access. So select. So Megan will be our information protection analyst. And so hit next and save. So she's going to be responsible for a whole lot, but her job now is she will have a role-based access control to do what she needs to do. So that's how we can go ahead and give somebody access to role-based control under Microsoft Purview portal so they don't go above their role to do things that they're not supposed to do. But we're going to continue on because this is such a short video. We're going to add more bonus content here. In this one, we're going to review DLP data in the Activity Explorer. So how we do that is by going ahead first. We're going to log out of this admin user. We're going to log in under Megan B. So Megan B can actually exercise her newfound power. So let's come over here. Click on the Microsoft Purview portal login page. We're going to click on the user. Let's log in on the Megan B account. We're going to hit next. On the Megan B account, we will supply her password. So now we logged in on the Megan B account, and we know she's a Microsoft Information Protection Analyst. So we're going to actually explore something within our account to see if her role working, A, and B, what can she do. So we can already see she can get into the portal, no problem. So now we're going to click on solutions, and then we're going to click on data loss prevention. As an analyst, she's supposed to be able to read this and see the activities. So we're going to need to actually click on Activity Explorer, and this will give her things that she can see already. And if she can see things already, she has 8 labels applied, 0 archives, 0 DLP matched. Here's this DLP match. So Megan B is set, and she's able to do things. So that's because we gave her the permission, we trust her, she can do things. Now we're going to take on up on a little bit further. We're going to do built-in filters. We're going to do some filters. We're going to play with the filters. So we're going to click on DLP policies that detected activities. So let's click on DLP policies that detected activity, or DLP rules, DLP policies that detect activity. So let's click on that first. And then from that point on, we're going to come back here, check both maybe. It's just this one actually. We're only going to focus on this one. So this is the DLP policy that take a rule, and you can see here all the policies that we actually created, everything else that was detected. And we can also do the next filter, which is DLP rules. So let's click on built-in rules or built-in filters. Click on that, and then you can see additional one over here. So point is that as an information protection analyst, this lady now can do things on behalf of us, if you will, and she can actually do a lot of things. So that's it. Let's sign out as Megan. That's how we can go ahead and do that. So in the next video, we're going to try to do the same thing in PowerShell. So until next time, you guys have a good day. Enjoy. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, hit subscribe. Until next time, peace.